Hey everyone! If your iPhone screen keeps going black during WhatsApp calls, don't worry, you're not alone. It's usually caused by the proximity sensor or a few system settings. In this video, I'll walk you through several ways to fix it step by step. Let's start with the first fix: clean the screen and the sensor. Over time, dust, sweat, or even smudges can build up on your phone's screen, especially near the proximity sensor. If that sensor gets blocked or dirty, your iPhone might think it's next to your face and automatically turn off the screen during calls. Grab a soft cloth, gently clean the screen, and if you're using a screen protector, try removing it. Test your WhatsApp call again afterward. Now, method 2: uncover the sensor. The proximity sensor is usually located at the top of your iPhone near the front camera. If you're using a thick case or holding the phone in a way that blocks this area, it could cause the screen to go black. Try turning on speaker mode during your call to avoid putting your face near the sensor, or simply check that your case isn't interfering. Moving on to method 3: disable the reduce motion setting. This setting is meant to reduce animations, but in some cases, it can cause glitches during calls. Here's how to turn it off. Go to Settings, then tap on General. Next, go to Accessibility and look for Reduce Motion. If it's turned on, switch it off and test your call again. These 3 methods solve the issue for most users. But if it's still not working, don't worry, there are more fixes you can try. Let me know if you want a part 2 covering additional solutions, like updating iOS, resetting settings, or reinstalling WhatsApp. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.